Today I'm going to give you a review about the Skullcandy ink earbuds. Here they are. I got them in the green color. Quite cool. See them up close. They have a round tip. Here they are. They have a 3.5mm gold plated jack, and it's about time we try them out. Okay, but they haven't written where the left ones and the right ones. Let's figure it out ourselves. Let's connect this gold plated cable. Quite impressive. The price is $20 originally, but I got them for $8 on sale from where did I get them from? I actually forgot, but I got them a long time ago. I'm not like 3 weeks ago. Wait, I'll tell you later in the end of this video. Let's locate. Yeah, this is the right one. This is the left one. They have a rubberized finish to them. The cable has a rubberized finish, so it does not get entangled. Okay, now let's listen to a song. Quite good actually. And noise cancelling too, so they block all the outside noise. So overall these are pretty nice earphones, and I do recommend buying them, but you can get better ones for the price. So yeah, bye bye, and please comment and subscribe in the comment section below. Bye.